Today we have a special celebrity guest. No, it's not Roy Orbison, even though he looks like him. This is my dad, Tony Governale, the one and the only. So, Dad, what are you making today?
I'm making sausage and pepper.
Sausage and pepper. Now, you know, me and my dad, the way we bonded when we were kids over bread is usually he would bang one over my head because I did something wrong, like prank called my religion teacher. Remember that one, Dad? Yeah, he laughs over it. But another way we bonded was over food. And when we would go to Italian feasts in Brooklyn at San Gennaro, we loved eating sausage and peppers. And I'm gonna show you today through my dad on exactly how you can make it in your toaster oven where it tastes just like the sandwiches that you get at those Italian fairs. First, my dad's going to season the pan with a good amount of olive oil. He cut up the onions and the peppers. I'm going to take the onions, right, Dad? And we'll put the peppers in there as well. You have the green peppers, the red peppers, and just white onion with olive oil right now. My dad's going to add a little bit more and spread that out. He's going to add a little salt now to it. Add your pepper to it as well. Oregano is important here. I think I got a little oregano in my eye from that one. Now he's going to put the sausages right on top. This is a sweet sausage that we're using, but we also got a spicy sausage in case you like it a little hot.
Remember to wash your hands after you handle raw meat.
Now what I like to do on top of this is so you get the flavors of the sausage and the grease and the juice, just poke it, right, Dad?
Poke the sausage,
Yeah. And then finally we'll season it again with a little more olive oil on top. Get it all over the peppers, the onions, the sausage. All right, Dad, so now we poked your sausage. Sorry, I had to get that in there. What do we do now? How long do we cook this?
Well, 20 minutes.
At 300?
350.
All right, so we're gonna go into the toaster oven. Sausage and peppers, Italian style, 350 degrees, about 25 minutes. And it's gonna come out nice, caramelized, and delicious. And then we'll put it on a nice hero bread, and we'll go to town.
You're
That's
going
it.
right back.
That's it. Sausage and peppers, who can beat it?
Yeah.
All right, where'd you get those glasses? Look at this, check that out. Exactly like you see it at an Italian feast. All right, Dad, time to make this thing. Just a basic hero bread you get at your supermarket. You get your sausage, hold on to the bread, and then get your onions and your peppers on this thing. You can smell the oregano and the olive oil. You can smell the juices from the sausage. My dad likes good sausage juice all over the place. Now look at that. Check this out, huh, Dad?
Yeah, delicious.
The average sausage and peppers at a feast from some creep is about $8, $8 to $9.
Yeah.
This here, one sandwich, if I broke it down, probably $1.75. $1.75 for one sandwich. Let's cut this thing up. Push the sausage and the onions in, cut it on an angle. Sausage and peppers.
Wow, that's the original.
Yeah, in your toaster oven. Ready to take a bite? This is it. My dad's an old school Sicilian. He knows sausage and peppers like nobody's business. Holy man. Good stuff, huh?
Out of this world.
It really is good.
Okay. I'm going to go up and sleep.
Memories, my dad eating and taking off. There is nothing better than this right now. Italian bread, sausage, peppers, onions, olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano, all in one tray, all in your toaster oven, done in about a half hour, and dirt cheap.
To hell with those crappy carnivals and those con artists.
Make it at home, make it quick, make it and enjoy it.